Hello, my name is Andrew, and today we will have a new video about how to integrate Drupal with AI. And today we will try to understand how to use this model from Drupal.org in our Drupal installation, what the settings we have, and how to test if everything works. So I already installed in my local machine latest Drupal version. This is not a pure Drupal core. I have used new Drupal CMS, which have together with Drupal core also a lot of different models and configuration, which already giving a lot of functionality from the box and saving a lot of time. And additional to that, I already installed Model AI. So let's go to page with the all models and see what we need to install first. So Model AI providing a lot of submodels and yeah, this providing pretty huge functionality and many points already implemented, so you can avoid a lot of custom code. And in next videos, I will try to show you as much as possible functionality and use cases. Okay, so let's start from installing core. Also, we will install API Explorer to testing if everything works. And we need to install one of providers with which we'll communicate our Drupal installation. So for this video, I will use OpenAI, most famous one. And if you don't know, OpenAI actually father or creator of ChatGPT. We have from the box also Anthropic. Anthropic, the company which created Claude. Yeah, you can use any of them. We will try to install only OpenAI for today. Okay, that's enough. Let's click install. So it also asking to install a model key. Sure. I think we will need several seconds to install everything, configurations, and prepare our Drupal. Okay, that's ready. Now let's go and check what the admin interface we have to configure AI. So in configuration menu point, we have AI point, where we have 3 pages. Let's start from the last one, provider settings. Here we need to add notification to OpenAI to make possible communication between Drupal and AI. Let's go. So there are no any key, of course, on our installation, and we need to create a new one. Let's click create a new one. Okay, so name will be Drupal CMS. Okay, and then we need key itself. To get the key, we need to go to platform.openai.com. Yes, so, and we need to log in. You can log in with your account, which are you using for ChatGPT. In most cases, it will be the same account. So let me log in. All right. Great. So I'm logged in. Now we need to go to your profile and go to API keys. So on that page, you can create a new key for yourself. I already created, and I will use this key for this video. All right, just save, and our key already created. Now we need to go and check what next we need to do. Go to AI default settings. So what we can do here. I think we need to first select, yes, after creation of key, we need to select which key OpenAI should use. Let's select the new one which we have created. Save configurations. Good. And now then let's go to default settings. Loading. Yeah. Yes. Now we can see that we have OpenAI as default provider. Good. So if in some places on your site will be used different type of AI communication, then those settings will be used in case if you not provide settings directly. We can save this page. Good. Then the last point which we need to check actually if this integration already works. And with that, AI API Explorer will help us. So we can test here any type of AI. So chat, speech to text, and any others. Let's try just a normal chat. So on that page, you can see we have different configurations for chatting. So from on the right side, we have possibility to choose model for chatting, max token. So different configuration for the chatting itself. On the left, we can see some configurations for role and others. And most important for us, the message. Basically, this is message which we are sending in the ChatGPT here in the main bar. All right, so let's ask something, and let's try to get some response and to check if it works. Ask AI, and yeah, we get response. So this response comes from OpenAI, and with using those settings from the right bar. So actually, it works. Also, we have possibility to see actually code which executing it. This code can be used in your custom implementation, in your custom models. In next videos, we also will try to create some simple examples how to use this code in different places. So that's it for today. Thank you for your attention and see you in next videos.